Gotta give, just simply can't ignore it. Tryna make hope for myself, tryna make over the deal. Live my life only way that I know how to live it. Broken, I don't really wanna relive it. Open minded, this is key. I sit down and turn the keys. Homie gon' smile and she wild and she hot. I wanted the goddess up, no window try it. With the right future, hit the pedal, flow it. I'm full of rage, the ain't gonna give, just simply can't ignore it.
I want to freak, no need for mystique, just keep it real and I will feel your thoughts, they hold you back from things that you want to fulfill. On your breath, I smell the lust, the pain to you, it's like a drug, no differences in what we love. Come to me and just let me touch. Body moving like a motherfucking goddess, skin of light goes on a flare, so I ride it. In my mind, all I'm knowing that is I want it. Baby girl, tease me with that body and flown it. So dazed, in a maze, she got me feeling like a zombie when I'm standing in her presence. Think this is real, Lord, it's my own heaven. And we dimmed out the lights and her demons left the setting. No need to hide that sucked up hiss that lies inside. Just let it out and start to cry. The time has come to feel alive. Walk with me towards unseen. A life you live is just a dream. This hate you feel is what I need. Now let me mold you to my being. She's just an undercover demon lover. Feel the thunder from above. Up in the sky, the moon turns red and now my devil bride has shown up. The smoke it clouds, it fills our heads. Tensions build as words are said. Just take a chance and hold my hand and follow me. She's just an undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. In her eyes I see she's just an undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. In her eyes I see just
Come with me to hell. Let me get inside, feel the vibes of a pimp up in your mind. I see the thoughts of evil. You don't have to try to hide the beast. Just let it out. Step into my world, show you what I'm all about. Don't fear the main. I feel your pain, the stress, it leaves your body when I speak. Baby, come and take a walk through the valley of the dead, so nobody ever knows. Just lay your problems on my chest and let this demon take a hold. Eating at your flesh, I'm just loving how it tastes. See the pleasure in her eyes, let me take you to a place where lust is all that matters. Feel the static up inside your brain. She's just a demon lover, grab her soul and drag it under evil as a motherfucker. But I still don't let you suffer. Meet me round 6, we gon' travel through the woods. I'ma show you what it is. Take a look up at the moon, then I grab her by the hand. Gotta play a feeling like I was the only man. Into the flames, I slowly slip. Stepping through the vibes of a late night tip. Puffing on the Chiba while we sipping on the fifth. I be tasting like a bottle as I'm kissing on the lips. I've been searching through the mist, looking for my devil bride. Come and feast upon the flesh and feel the rush. I take a breath, there's no discussion. Fade the flash, she's just an undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. Undercover demon lover. Grab her soul and drag it up and